Hello! In front of me I have GARMIN Fenix 7 Sapphire Solar, and I'm gonna show you how to track the amounts of steps taken on this watch. You can check the amounts of steps taken on this watch in a couple of ways. First way is to do it on the watch face. Some of watch faces will have the amounts of steps taken displayed on them, as you can see right here. Another way to do it is to do it through the glances. So once you're on the home screen, the current watch face, you can press up or down button or swipe up or down on the screen to open the list of glances. And here you can scroll through this list and check if you have the steps right here. If you don't, you can scroll all the way down and find the edit icon, then tap on it. And here you can scroll down, find the add option and tap on it. Once you find enter the add glance menu, scroll down and find the steps. Once you find the steps, tap on them to add them, and then you can swipe right to go back. The steps will be added to the glances, and now when you open the glances menu, the steps will be here and you can check how many steps have you taken. Okay, and that's how you check the amounts of steps taken on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.